people that snore are prone to have 173 medical issues: high blood pressure, cardiovascular problems, acid reflux, Alzheimer's, dementia, hormonal problems, fatty liver issues. They could have problems with their kidneys. Their testosterone levels could go down. That could cause erectile dysfunction, early menopause in females. The list goes on and on and on. So why not be healthier and control our snoring? How could we control snoring now? It's through a simple oral appliance. It starts by getting that sleep study.